Okay, up for sale is a 2005 British subway poster for Star Wars Episode 3. These have been cared for very, very well. There are going to be some very, very slight imperfections. Okay, sorry about that. There is some creasing on the white part, but none of that was ever seen. None of that was ever seen in the box. And these came straight out of a poster. Out of a bus stop poster. 2005, everyone was stealing these left and right, trying to get them because it was such a big movie. This poster, I would say probably, just based on condition, I'd give it like an 8.0. I mean, maybe even higher. I'm just being kind of generous in my grading just because I don't want anybody that's real meticulous to say, hey, you said that was an 8.5, blah, blah, blah. But the poster is wonderful. It is vibrant, full of color, never been hung, no pinholes, nothing. Bidding starts low. If you decided you want to get all four of them, I think it's four, or all five, let me know. The posters are going to be up for auction. All right.